Stay tuned to see how I use my Girl+Hair products for this bomb twist out. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair in a twist out using products from Girl+Hair. So I'm starting off with Nourish, which is the Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. It protects and nourishes your hair. It includes shea butter, tea tree oil, and neem oil. It promotes hair growth and scalp health. And it can be used on your natural hair or with protective styles. Next up, I'm going in with Restore, which is the Restoring Hair Treatment Balm. And this treatment protects and restores dry and damaged hair. It softens the natural hair cuticles. It maintains a healthy scalp and promotes hair growth. It includes shea butter, castor oil, sunflower oil, and olive oil. Last but not least, I'm going in with Refresh, which is the Aloe Vera Biotin Hydrating Hair Milk. And this hair milk promotes hair growth. It provides the ultimate daily moisture to support stronger and healthier hair. It includes coconut water, tea tree oil, and hemp seed oil. I love that all of these products come with an applicator tip, which makes it easy to use. I also love that these products can be used on your natural hair as well as with protective styles. So I'm just going through and detangling my hair and make sure that all the products are evenly distributed before I start to do my twist out. And I'm going to be twisting in medium sections. So again, for styling, I'm doing a 2-strand twist out. Again, I'm twisting in medium sections. I'm twisting about 80 to 85% of the way down, and then I'm going to finger coil the ends. And I'll just be repeating these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So let me tell you a little bit about Girl+Hair. Girl+Hair was founded by a Black dermatologist named Camille. Everything that is made by this product line is dermatologist recommended and backed by scientific research. All of the products are alcohol-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, color-free, cruelty-free, and color-safe. The best thing about these products are their dual use. They can be used on your natural hair or with protective styles. The applicator tip on all of the products makes it easy to access your scalp when you are doing protective styles, such as box braids or Marley twist, spring twist, or even when you wear a wig. Other products that Girl+Hair offers are Cleanse, which is a water to foam moisturizing sulfate-free shampoo, which is amazing. Clear, which is the apple cider vinegar clarifying rinse. And then the Curl Cloud, which is the ultimate hydrating hair mask. All the products are amazing, and I will leave the link to where you can purchase these products in the description box. So now that my twists are all done, I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 20 minutes and then let the rest air dry. So again, the products that I used were the Nourish Leave-In Conditioner, Restore Hair Treatment Balm, and Refresh Hydrating Milk. So my hair is now completely dry and ready for the takedown, so let's get into these results. My hair definitely feels moisturized and the definition speaks for itself. I'm just going to go in and untwist each one of the twists, and then I'll separate a few times, fluff it out, and I will show you the final results. And can we take a moment to appreciate this definition? I mean, yes, Girl+Hair is not just for protective styles, it's for your natural hair as well. So here are my final results, and I am definitely loving this look. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video and learned some things about Girl+Hair. Amazing Black-owned product line that you should definitely check out. Again, I'll leave all the information in the description box. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.